I can't remember. Serious, I can't remember. You used to call me on my cell phone when I know you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. You know that song? What song is that? What song is that, Bello? G-Force, don't mind J. Ha. Guys, please like the stream, guys, and share the stream. G-Force. You know, these are the called no makeup makeup. You used to call me on my cell phone only when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. These days, all I'm back fully. Yeah. Where did I put this thing? I'll change my nose ring. I want to change my nose ring. I'll change it to another one. I'll change it to another one. Sadav. Sadav. Welcome, Sadav. Let me use this one. Wait. I'll use this one. Lee! I love this one. I will leave this one. I told you, Jerry is a troublemaker. I told you. Jerry is a troublemaker. What's up, Minah? I'm okay. Welcome. I'm okay, Lee. What's up? Do you want to tell me something? Lodica, welcome back. Okay, I called your name. I don't know. I don't know that I called your name. Maybe I was just like checking on you. Okay, I didn't know I called. Seriously. I didn't know. Sometimes I call people's name for me to know, to check if they are still on the stream or they are not on the stream. You get? Do you get it? Hey. You did. I feel loved. Hello, Sunday. Welcome, Sunday. Like the stream, please. Okay. I just got back. What were you doing before? Minah, Zoom. Are you okay? Ha. I'm doing fine, thank you. Sunday, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Please come visit us. Visit you where? Minah, answer my question. Whoa. I know. What's the question? What is your question?